As Pfizer and Moderna prepare their applications to the FDA, other vaccines are moving quickly through clinical trials. AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson are in the midst of large Phase 3 studies in the U.S., with results expected around the end of the year or early 2021. J&J is the only company in advanced trials so far to test a single-shot vaccine. The others all require 2 doses. Behind those companies are Novavax and Sanofi with partner GlaxoSmithKline, with trials that could start by the end of the year. The vaccines all target the coronavirus in the same way, focusing on its spike protein. But they do it slightly differently. Moderna and Pfizer's vaccines rely on brand new technology known as messenger RNA, and they've been able to move the fastest. AstraZeneca and J&J also use a newer technology, while the others employ a tried-and-true approach, which takes a little longer to develop. Success for multiple vaccines is key for large numbers of Americans to be able to get vaccinated quickly. Moderna and Pfizer together are expected to have enough supply for 20 million Americans this year. In early 2021, it'll be about 25 million people per month. By April through July, Dr. Anthony Fauci says if other vaccines are successful, there should be enough for everybody in the U.S. who wants to get vaccinated. So, who gets the vaccine first? A CDC advisory group will make the final call, but the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine have laid out a framework. Top of the list, high-risk health workers and first responders. Then, people with health conditions that put them at significantly higher risk, and older adults living in congregate settings like nursing homes. Phase 2 includes teachers, school staff, and childcare workers, other critical workers in high-risk settings, and people in homeless shelters and prisons, plus all other older adults. Young adults and children follow, assuming the vaccine's been tested for them as well. And then everyone else. And Shep, health experts say about 70 to 75% of the population has to get vaccinated in order for us pandemic.
Meg, we're hearing the race for a vaccine is attracting some really famous donors.
It sure is. Dolly Parton today, we learned the news that she had donated $1 million to Vanderbilt University back in April for the Dolly Parton COVID-19 Research Fund. And it turns out those funds were used to support development of Moderna's vaccine. She was asked about it this morning on the Today Show. Here's what she said.
I'm just so happy that anything that I've done could help in any way. Back when we started the fund, I was just hoping that we might find some cures or whatever, but now it looks like it might be happening.
And of course, yesterday, Moderna's vaccine was proven to be almost 95% effective in preventing cases of COVID-19. Shep, as I saw some brilliant person on Twitter put it today, puts a whole new meaning to working 9 to 5.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.